Longer cleaning time with dual removable battery, 120 watt, powerful suction for deep cleaning, 4 stages of fully sealed filtration system, ultra portable and light in weight for easy operation. 2 floor brushes with LED lights that great for all floor types and comes with a lot of accessory. Do check out my unboxing video for detail. Yup, that's Tineco A11 Master, a stylish yet performing cordless vacuum cleaner. Does A11 really that great? See it for yourself. Yes, it performs very well even on normal power mode only. It sucks all the dust, long leaf and mung beans easily, working great on carpet too, all thanks to useful and performing motorized brushes that's suitable for both hard floor and carpet. Never worry about running out of battery again. More than an hour for normal power mode and 15 minutes on max power. All of these are possible thanks to dual removable battery. Yes, I can clean my whole double-story semi-D with 100 square meters easily, thanks to continuous power mode switch lock. By the way, the docking can fully charge both battery in less than 4 hours at the same time. 50% larger dustbin than A10 with 0.6 liter for even longer cleaning. Yes, easy to dump dust by click of the button and simple to clean the filters as well. Just remove them one by one will do, then clean them. The unique pre-filter cleaning tool can clean dirty filter without water. No need to wait for them to dry out. Only clean with water when needed. Finally, attach them back after clean. 67 dBA on normal mode and 78 dBA on max power mode. Powerful and effective suction with acceptable noise level, no doubt. And thanks to useful modular design, different tools can be used for different cleaning tasks. You can attach and remove with just single click of the button. A10 Master has lots of them. Cordless without worry about the length of the wire. Just focus on the cleaning task. Fast and easy for sure. And plenty of accessory help to make the task even easier. Just use the right tool will do. Lightweight and portable, no doubt. No need to drill hole on the wall with docking station on the floor. Don't forget the useful LED lights too. Never miss out any dust from now on. Finally, the very useful mini power brush to vacuum mattresses, sofa and pillow. A must-have tool for me. That's pretty much cover everything of this most powerful cordless vacuum cleaner from Tineco yet. Totally worth the investment. Enjoy powerful suction, longer battery life and a lot of useful tools that makes cleaning more efficient and easier. Do get one with link below. Come with 2-year warranty by the way. Thanks for watching. Peace.